Welcome to That's Life Yoga. Today we're talking Sun Salutation B, outside, no mat, no stress. I will show you an easier version first so that you can flow with confidence and have fun. So let's start with the easy version. Nice mountain pose. Nice inhale, tall, walk a little bit. Ground your feet. When we're outside without the mat and it's uneven, we have to pay attention to our feet. Sometimes we have to compensate for the balance. So I'm going to take a little bit of a wider stand than I would normally, just to have a little more balance, keep more flexibility in my knees. And on the inhale, poof, come down. Exhale, bring your bum down, maybe the chest up, inhale that, poof, exhale. So inhale, arm up, exhale, chair pose. And here you can put your hand right on your hip. We're on the easy version here. Maybe it's not that easy, but it's easier, I should say. When you're in chair pose, just make sure to curve your lower back just a little bit. Tuck in your belly. Nice inhale, exhale. We're going in forward fold. Inhale to flat back, so our hands are above or below the knees. Elbows are in. Shoulders are drawn away from the ears. And now let's catch the ground. Let's get in a plank and in down dog. But here you can just drop the knees and press, and that can be your down dog. It's fine, it's good. Now let's bring one foot forward. Remember which one. Maybe you want to start with the right and do the left. We're going to switch sides several times during the flow. Untuck the toes. Come up into a kneel. And kneel down, warrior one. Arms can be up, or again, they can be on your hips. Little wobble here, it's normal, it's fine, it's fun. It helps challenge our little balance here. Inhale tall, exhale. Catch the ground, bring the foot away. Tuck your toes and walk towards your hands. Flat back. We're just doing everything back in reverse. Chair, mountain. Again, one more time, the easy version. Inhale, exhale, chair. Oops, yeah, no, that's right. Exhale, chair. Inhale, chest up. Exhale. Nice forward fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, catch the ground. Maybe go on your fours. Maybe lift your knees up. Drop the knees, that's always fine. And let's bring the other leg forward this time. Press into that foot. Come up. And I'm pressing the back foot into the ground, just for a little bit more balance. Again, you can have a little wider stand, it helps too. Maybe the arms are up. Woo! Maybe they're on your hip. Place your hands down. Lift the knee, come forward. And flat back, forward fold, right in reverse. Chair pose, and back in mountain. Now we'll go, it's still a modified version, but it's more close to the regular Sun Salutation B. You can do the modification I just showed you, or you can mix and match. So nice inhale, exhale, chair pose. Inhale, reach, exhale, forward fold. If the breath's too much for you, just remember not to hold your breath and breathe. Flat back. Exhale your hands down. Keep breathing in between, of course. Now the knees can be down, or chaturanga up to cobra. Tuck your toes, down dog. Oh, nice down dog. This is your first down dog. You can walk the dog a little bit if your knees are up. Oh, and let's bring one foot up. Inhale, exhale, forward. Frame the foot with your hand. Plant your back foot. Strong, strong leg. Nice warrior one. Again, your arms can be down on your hips, of course. Reach for the sky. Exhale. Bring the foot back. Chaturanga. 2 cobra. 2 down dog. Other leg. Of course, you can keep the back leg straight like in a crescent if you want, or you can plant it good on the ground, depending what you're standing on. Ooh, nice. Exhale your arms down. Chaturanga, 2 cobra. There's a few of those, so feel free to drop the knee or just skip altogether. 2 down dog. Other foot forward. Did I do that? I think I did that. I think I did that side, didn't I? That's okay. Chaturanga. 2 cobra. 2 down dog. Walk forward. Flat back. Forward fold. Chair pose. Mountain pose. There's 19 different poses in the Sun Salutation B. So again, mountain pose, shoulder back, down. Nice inhale, exhale into your chair. Inhale, reach, exhale, down. Flat back. Plant your hands, feet back. Chaturanga, 2 cobra, 2 down dog. Step forward, frame your foot, press. Warrior 1. Exhale. Plant your hands, foot back. Chaturanga, 2 cobra, 2 down dog. Other foot. Exhale forward, press. There. And down. Chaturanga, 2 cobra, 2 down dog. Come forward. Flat back, forward fold. Chair pose, mountain pose. Now I'm not going to give you the cues, or not as many. Sometimes I can't help it. It automatically comes out of my mouth. So I'm going to make my stand a little bit wider to accommodate the ground here, to more balance. Just nice standing tall. This is like a mini break here. Inhale, exhale. Go at your own speed, dear, not mine. How's it going? Elbows are in during the Chaturanga, 2 cobra. I can't help it, I told you. And walk forward, flat back, forward fold, chair pose. Mountain press in your feet. Want to go a little tiny bit faster? Still, if you need to go at your own pace, go at your own pace. It's all good. flat back, forward fold, chair pose, back to mountain. Now let's do a couple of easy one just to frame it nicely. We're gonna go a little slower too. We're gonna start and pacing. This is my second time almost in a row filming this. Oh, mountain pose. Nice space between your feet. Exhale, nice chair here. And down. Now take your time, just enjoy being down. Let your neck be very relaxed. Little bend in the knee, maybe a big bend in the knee. Flat back. Tummy is tight. Exhale down. I'm gonna do chaturanga on my knees for this one, but feel free to skip that. Just small little motion. Little down dog if you want to lift your knees up. Just breathe here. Enjoy the inversion. Yeah, this is an inversion, not just like standing on your head. I don't do that. Well, I had two when I was younger, but I'm like, that's not my thing, you know. So I skip what I don't like, and you should do the same. Oh, wait. I need to bring one foot forward. Let's drop the back knee here. And when you're ready, maybe come up. Maybe your hands wants to stay down. Just breathe. Place your hands down. Let's switch that. You can stay like this. Come up. Maybe your arms still want to go up. That's all good. Drop the knees. Nice little motion. Come back. Yeah, I modified it a little bit. I know what I did. I know what I did. Oh my goodness. Now let's go super slow. Inhale. Exhale. I'm keeping my hand on my thighs. My elbows are in. Nice forward fold or ragdoll. Hands, arms, shoulders, neck. It's all relaxed. Flat back. Catch the ground. Let's get on our hands and knees. I'm gonna bring my hands forward and press like a down dog. Let's bring one foot forward. Then just stay down for this one. Just stay down. Feel the ground under your knee, your foot, the top of your back foot. No chaturanga. You do another push for your down dog. Bring one leg forward. Keep your fingers down. Ooh. Lift the knee. Back foot meets the front. Oh la la, there was a commotion of birds over here. Oh, flat back. Neck is super relaxed. Forward fold. Chair pose. Press into your feet and mountain pose. We use our arms a lot here, so let's bring one arm across. Bring the shoulder down. Nice tuck towards you. Oh. It's a beautiful, beautiful day for birds to argue. Shoulder down. Oh, nice hug. Little like maybe, no, yes. Make sure your neck is relaxed. Bring your elbow up. Don't force it. If it only wants to go here, that's cool too. If it goes back, nice tap tap in your back. You did great. Yeah, without the mat too. And without the drama. You need more sunshine into your soul? Feel free to add to this. Keep going. Pick another video from the playlist. Just keep your flow going. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumb up. Maybe share it with your friends. Subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how that worked for you or if you need additional modifications. It's all good. Thank you so very much for watching. Together we say Namaste.